Hi! In front of me is Honor X6, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to a printer. Begin by opening Settings. Following that, select More Connections and click on Printing. Now you can tap on the footprint service right away. And wait, your device is now looking for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it right away. If you wish to use different print service, you need to disable this one by choosing this blue switcher. Then click on the back button, tap on Add Service, and install the best one for your printer, in my case HP one. When your new service is ready, tap on the back button twice. So when I do that, I can click on my new service and wait again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!